The residents of Augustown still out searching effortlessly for 9-year-old Kyle Richards, who was washed away yesterday evening in Augustown during the heavy downpour of rain.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya.
The police and residents of Augustown, St. Andrew, this morning resumed their search for 9-year-old Kyle Richards, who was washed away by a raging torrent yesterday afternoon. The team is searching Hope River adjacent to Harborview Bridge to locate his body. Using their cell phones to provide lighting, scores of residents scoured through the gully that leads to Hope River yesterday in an effort to locate Richards. According to police, reports that the young boy who attends the Hope Valley Experimental School was in the company of his aunt and 3 other children when he was swept away by the current.
Yeah, pick up small there. Yeah, all of them going out to have all the jobs there, bring them up. Enough manpower, we can shoot over the soil now, man. Shoot it over the soil. We can shoot it over the soil and then move everything would have stopped. Can I use it to fly over the bridge so easy? Yeah, it will move. Yeah. And it can come through and she really want to move to the man. Other 3 years, man.
The police indicated that they received a report about the missing boy around 3:45 p.m. last evening. A search mission was then launched. Information received is that the aunt of the child was taking them home from school and they took a shortcut which leads to Goldsmith Villa. The aunt had 2 children in her arms, another in front, and Kyle was at the back. He was playing in the water by the culvert and she told him to stop and come on, and by the time she turned around, he was swept away. Inspector Claudia Bailey Finson told reporters. The police says that since the incident was reported, they have been searching the entire gully that starts from Mona Road and ends in the Hope River along with residents. The political representative along with the fire brigade, we are doing a really extensive search that stretches as far as Harborview and Bull Bay, and the Marine Police are also on board. Sections of the island, including corporate area, have been impacted by heavy rains for the past few days.
Today is the 25th of September. This is Harborview. I live at 1 Harbour Drive. We've complained about the gully and the debris in the gully. Now, no vehicles can pass to the airport, as I have said, which was televised on TVJ, with Harborview residents having problems with our walls being down and our back walls perhaps being torn down, more people having lose their walls. And now, as you can see, this is the main road. This is the road in Harborview that leads to the airport that vehicles will have to travel on. Harborview residents will not be able, and that is the gully, that is the water that you see moving forward. It is coming out of the gully from the back of Harbour Drive, homes, right out of the gully, because so much debris was in there. They were supposed to clean it, come back and clean it. This is a gully. This is a side view of it, and as you can see, it is already pretty full.
A family member told reporters that they are a very close family as she tried to hold back her tears. She described young Kyle as a very active and helpful boy who stops at nothing to complete his tasks. Him always want to try do things, no matter how hard it is, she said, as the family hangs to hope that his strong-willed personality will keep him alive. The heavy downpour of rains has caused a backup in traffic in Kingston, Jamaica recently. Thank you for tuning in to Unstoppable TV. If this is your very first time to the channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button as yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so once you upload a video, you will get the alert. Viewers, please comment in the comment section, and once your comment makes sense, we will definitely respond. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.